Are you using Godot on Android device and want to export an APK file of your game? But unlike other platforms, Android needs custom SDK, debug.keystore, and other stuff. I'm here for you. All you need for this tutorial is APK editor and Godot export templates. Without much talk, let's jump into it. So, there is two ways. First one is a little bit fast but not secured, so anyone would be able to extract your game and get project files. I want to notice that is the first way is not by me, it's by Rocket007, link in description. I used his way to figure out with my one. Okay, first open Archiver, go to export templates, then click view. Search for Android_release.apk, long tap, copy, then paste it anywhere that easy for you to find. Then open APK editor, click your Android_release.apk file, and click full edit, then decode partial files. Then you have to create folder with name assets. Then long tap on assets folder, click replace and find your game project folder. Once you have done, click this wrench icon, and you have the APK file. Quickly, let's jump to the second one, that I figured out to protect the game files. From your editor, click editor, then manage export templates, and install your export templates file. Once you have done, go to project, click export, and add a new preset for Linux. Click export pck zip, select path, name it whatever you want, and hit save. Let's get back to Z-Archiver. Click on your exported zip file, and extract to archive name. Go back to APK editor, select the Android_release.apk file, full edit, and decode partial files. Let's create assets folder. Replace it, but this time with the folder that you extracted. Hit wrench icon and that's it. Now you want to edit the app name, package, icon, and permissions. So you can go to your APK file and click Common Edit, so you can edit those stuff. For permissions, you can click your APK file once again, and select XML edit, then select Android manifest.xml, and now you can edit it. I noticed that when you're exporting game by this way, you will have the title bar visible in your game, and you may not want that, so how to hide it? Simply, I will left you an APK file download link in description, so all you have to do, is to download it, and replace assets folder with your one. If you want to publish your game to Play Store, then you must have an AAB file of your game. So to make an AAB file, first download APK to AAB converter, then open it. Now you have to select your game APK path and the output path that the AAB file will be saved into. And that's all you need to know. If you found this tutorial useful, so make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit like button, and play my games on itch.io. See you later, goodbye.